Mahatma Gandhi full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name was Putli Bai. He was youngest of 4 children in his family. In his young age, he was an average student who was so timid that he slept with a light on even as teenager. Once he finished elementary school, he attended a high school in Rajkot with other boys as well. He wanted to become a lawyer. At the age of 13, Gandhi married to Kasturba Gandhi, a merchant daughter. When he moved to South Africa, he decided to fight for the rights of Indians there after experiencing discrimination there. Once he was thrown off a train at Pietermaritzburg railway station in South Africa in 1893 after white men objected to him travelling in first class coach. This be the wake-up call for Gandhi for fight against discrimination. He spent nearly 21 years in South Africa practicing law and adopting satyagraha against the racist regime. He was a great believer in ahimsa and fought hard for removal of untouchability, and in 1940 when he returned to India he joined the Indian freedom movement and soon becoming a very important leader. He called for Swaraj. He introduced Gandhian style of non-violence and non-cooperation. He became a leader of Indian National Congress as he has a great leadership power. From 12th March 1930 to 6th April 1930, the Salt March led by Mahatma Gandhi against salt monopoly, in which he made salt himself to remove tax from salt. He was also started his movement for poor people living in Indian villages. Spinning and weaving was elevated to ideology for self-reliance. He influenced people to wear khadi. He was calm, simple, humble and religious person. He reciting Bhagavad Gita. So he called as Mahatma the Great Soul. He considered religion as a being most tolerant and yet giving scope for worshipping all prophets of world. He grew up worshipping the Hindu god Vishnu and following Jainism. He undertook 17 hunger strikes during freedom movement, as fasting was a weapon used by Gandhi as a part of his philosophy of ahimsa and satyagraha. He has a great leadership power, so he influenced people for their rights. He decided to boycott Simon Commission, so he shouted Simon go back at many places. By year 1947, British government did leave India, but only after divided it into 2 countries. India got independence, but it was not peaceful movement as there were conflict between Hindu and Muslims. So partition of India done, in which India divided into India and Pakistan. This was shattered Mahatma Gandhi and he go on hunger strike for India peace. On 30 January 1948, he was shot by a Hindu fanatic Nathuram Godse. His memorial is Rajghat is visited by hundreds of people every day, and his birth 2nd October is commemorated as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday in India.